Hello friends, in today's podcast we are going to discuss chemical kinetics. The branch of chemistry which deals with the study of reaction rates and their mechanism is known as chemical kinetics. Rate of chemical reaction. The rate of a reaction can be defined as the change in the concentration of a reactant or product in unit time. Let's a reaction whose volume remains constant, then R is converted into P, where R is reactant and P is product. So 1 mole of reactant R produce 1 mole of product P. So R1 and P1 and R2 and P2 are the concentration of R and P at time T1 and T2 respectively. We can also say that delta T is equal to T2 minus T1 and del R is equal to R2 minus R1 and del P is equal to P2 minus P1, where square brackets shows molar concentration. So rate of displacement of R is equal to decrease in concentration of R divided by time taken. So minus del R divided by del T, and also rate of disappearance of R is equal to increase in concentration of P divided by time taken, that is positive del P divided by del T. These both above expressions shows average rate of reaction. So unit of rate of reaction is concentration per time or mole per liter inverse second inverse. So simply unit of rate of reaction is mole liter inverse second inverse, where mole liter inverse is concentration and second inverse is time. Instantaneous rate of reaction. It is the rate of change of concentration, that is change of concentration per unit time of any one of the reactants or products at the particular instant of time. So R instant is equal to minus dr divided by dt, where dp is divided by dt. Dear friends, you can also visit our website www.chemistrynoteinfo.com or www.chemistrynoteinfo.blogspot.com to download notes of this chapter, or you simply to read out the notes of this chapter to visualize graphs and reactions more clearly from our websites. Let's continue. Factors influencing rate of reaction. Concentration. As concentration of reactant increases, rate of reaction also increases. Temperature. Rate of reaction increases with increase of temperature. Mostly reaction rate doubles with rise of 10 degree temperature. Catalyst. Catalyst generally increases the rate of reaction without undergoing in the reaction. It also helps in attaining the equilibrium quickly without disturbing the equilibrium state in reversible reaction. Rate expression and rate constant. Consider a general reaction AA plus BB gives CC and DD, where A, B, C, D are stoichiometric coefficient of reactants and products. The rate reaction of this reaction is directly proportional to A to the power x, B to the power y, where component x and y may or may not be equal to stoichiometric coefficient A, B of the reactants. Also rate is equal to k A to the power x, B to the power y. So minus dr divided by dt is equal to k a to the power x b to the power y. This form of equation is known as differential rate equation, where k is proportionality constant called rate constant. And equation third, that is rate is directly proportional to a to the power x and b to the power y, which relates the rate of reaction to the concentration of reactants, is called rate law or rate expression. So rate law is the expression in which reaction rate is given in terms of molar concentration of reactants, with each term raised to the power. I repeat, rate law is the expression in which reaction rate is given in terms of molar concentration of reactants, with each terms raised to some power, which may or may not be same as the stoichiometric coefficient of the reacting species in a balanced chemical reaction. Example, reaction gives experimental rate expression. So CHCl3 plus Cl2 gives CCl4 plus HCl, where rate is equal to K CHCl3 Cl2 s to the power 1 by 2. Similarly, CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O gives CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. So rate is equal to K CH3COO C2H5 s to the power 1 and H2O to the power 0. Similarly, 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2, where rate is equal to minus dr by dt is equal to K NO to the power 2 and O to the power 1. Order of a reaction. The sum of powers of the concentration of the reactants in the rate of law expression is called as the order of that chemical reaction. So rate is equal to K a to the power x plus b to the power y. So order is equal to x plus y. Order of reaction may be 0, 1, 2, 3 or even in fractions. Zero order reaction is independent of concentration. To download chemistry notes in PDF forms, you can join our Telegram channel. So to join our Telegram channel, search @chemistry notes info on Telegram app. Now we are going to discuss units of rate constant K. So as we know, AA plus BB gives CC plus DD, where first letter I speak is small and another is capital. So rate is equal to K a to the power x b to the power y, where x plus y is equal to n, that is order of reaction. Also K is equal to rate divided by a to the power x b to the power y is equal to concentration divided by time is into 1 divided by concentration to the power n. So concentration to the power 1 minus n divided by time. So SI unit of K is equal to mole liter inverse to the power 1 minus n divided by S, that is second. For zero order reaction, order is equal to n is equal to 0. So unit of K is equal to mole liter inverse second per second. For first order reaction, n is equal to 1. So unit of K is equal to second inverse. For second order reaction, n is equal to 2. So unit of K is equal to mole inverse liter second inverse. Molecularity of a reaction. The number of reacting species, atoms, ions, molecules taking part in an elementary reaction which must collide simultaneously in order to bring about a chemical reaction is called molecularity of a reaction. Integral rate equation. Zero order reaction. Consider a reaction R gives P. Rate is equal to minus dr divided by dt, where K is equal to R to the power 0. also equal to minus dr by dt is equal to k into the 1. So dr is equal to minus k dt. Integrating both sides, we get r is equal to minus kt plus c, where c is constant of integration of at t0. So concentration of reactant r is equal to r0, where r0 is initial concentration of reaction. Substituting in equation, we get r0 is equal to minus k dash 0 plus c. So r0 is equal to c. From these two equations, we get r is equal to minus kt plus r0 and kt is equal to r0 minus r. Also k is equal to r0 minus r divided by t. Example of this type of reactions is 2NH3 in gaseous form at 1130 Kelvin and platinum as catalyst gives N2 in gas form plus hydrogen in gas form. Rate is equal to K NH3 to the power 0 is equal to K. First order reaction. Consider a reaction R gives P. Rate is equal to minus dr divided by dt into Kr, or dr by r is equal to minus k dt. Integrating this equation, we get ln r is equal to minus kt plus c, where c is a constant. At t0, r is equal to r0, where r0 is initial concentration of the reaction or reactant. Put these values in equation first, that is above reaction. We get ln r0 is equal to minus k x0 plus c. So ln r0 is equal to c. From these two equations, we get ln r is equal to minus kt plus ln r0. So kt is equal to ln r0 minus ln r. So k is equal to 1 by t ln r0 divided by r. At time t1, from the above equation, we get ln r1 is equal to minus kt1 plus ln r0. At time t2, ln r2 is equal to minus kt2 plus ln r0, where r1 and r2 are concentration of the reactant at time t1 and t2 respectively. Substituting equation 5 from equation 6, we get ln r1 minus ln r2 is equal to minus kt1 minus within bracket minus kt2. So ln r1 plus r2 ln r1 divided by r2 is equal to k t2 minus t1. So k is equal to 1 divided by t2 minus t1 into ln r1 divided by r2. So it can be also written as ln ln r divided by r0 is equal to minus kt. Taking antilog of both sides, we get r is equal to r0 e to the power minus kt. The first order equation can also be written as k is equal to 2.303 divided by t log r0 divided by r. Dear friends, you can also see the graph of this reaction at our website. And now we are going to discuss temperature dependence of rate of a reaction. Most of chemical reactions are accelerated by increase in temperature. It has been found that for a chemical reaction with rise in temperature by 10 degree, the rate constant is nearly double. The temperature dependence of a chemical reaction can be accurately explained by Arrhenius equation, that is K is equal to a to the power a e to the power minus Ea by RT. I repeat, K is equal to a e to the power minus Ea divided by RT, where A is Arrhenius factor or frequency factor, R is a gas constant, Ea is a activation energy measured in joules per mole. Also in this reaction H2 plus I2 gives 2Hi. According to Arrhenius, this reaction can take place only when a molecule of hydrogen and molecule of iodine collide to form an unstable intermediate. It exists for a very short time and then break up to form two molecules of hydrogen iodide. The energy required to form this intermediate, called activation complex C, is known as activation energy Ea, and also taking natural logarithm of both sides of equation, we get ln k is equal to minus Ea divided by RT plus ln A. The plot of ln k versus 1 by t gives a straight line. So you can see this plot at our website, in which intercept ln A and slope minus Ea by R is the line which comes from y-axis towards x-axis, where y-axis is ln k and x-axis is 1 by t. Effect of a catalyst. A catalyst which alters the rate of reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. Example, 2KClO3 in presence of MnO2 gives 2KCl plus 3O2, where MnO2 is a catalyst. The action of a catalyst can be explained by intermediate complex theory. According to this theory, a catalyst participates in chemical reaction by forming temporary bonds with the reactants, resulting in an intermediate complex and decompose to yield products and catalyst. So R plus C gives RC gives P plus C, where R is reactant, C is catalyst and P is product. So reactant plus catalyst gives intermediate complex gives product plus catalyst. Collision theory of chemical reaction. According to this theory, the reactant molecules are assumed to be hard sphere and reaction is postulated to occur when molecules collide with each other. The number of collision per seconds per unit volume of a reaction mixture is known as collision frequency Z. Another factor which affects the rate of a chemical reaction is activation energy for a bimolecular elementary reaction. So A plus B gives product. Rate of reaction can be expressed as rate is equal to Z AB e to the power minus Ea by RT, where ZAB represents the collision frequency of the reactant. A and B and e to the power minus Ea by RT represents the fraction of molecules with energies equal to or greater than Ea. All collision do not lead to the formation of product. The collision in which molecules collide with sufficient kinetic energy, that is threshold energy, the proper orientation so as to facilitate breaking of bonds between reacting species and formation of new bonds to form products are called as effective collision. Note, threshold energy is equal to activation energy plus energy possessed by reacting species. Formation of methanol from bromoethane, that is CH3Br plus OH minus gives CH3OH plus Br minus. Thanks for learning. You can also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to download these notes, to learn from our website and to read more notes of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, BSc, MSc chemistry, or also many other important science notes and science knowledge from our website. You can take part in quiz competitions or quizzes at our website. and also download infographics from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Thank you to learning this episode.